Yes. Welcome to our English class once again. In the last class, we have learnt about pronouns. Right? What are pronouns? Words used in the place of nouns or pronouns. For example, let's write the pronouns once again on the board. Then we shall continue. We shall go to the another part of it. Yes. Now, I, you, he, she, it, we, they. You, me, him, his, her, us, and them, and so on. So these are pronouns. What are they? Pronouns. Right. We already came to know what are pronouns, and you have done an exercise on it. Have done the worksheet on it. Fine. I'm very happy to receive so many answers, correct answers. Right. Now today we are going to learn about subject pronouns and object pronouns. What? Subject pronouns and object pronouns. Subject pronouns and object pronouns. Let's see how. Now, I like swimming. Example, I like swimming. Second one, we drank coconut water. Children, you are all drinking coconut water, right? In this season. Coconut water. I ate ice cream. I ate an ice cream. Right. So, listen here. So, what you know, children? What are action words? What are action words? In the last class, we have learned action words are nothing but verbs. Okay. Now, what is the action here? What is the action here? Like. Right. You like to swim. In this, the action word is like. Here, drank. Drank is the action word. Right. Now, we are in this sentence. I ate an ice cream. Yes. Now, this is the action word. Action words are nothing but verbs. Action words are nothing but verbs. So, this is a verb and this is a verb in this sentence. Now, in the last class, we have learned about pronouns. Right. Now, say what are the pronouns in these sentences? In the first sentence, I like swimming. Say what is the pronoun? Yes. I is a pronoun. I am circling it. What is this? I is a pronoun. In the second sentence, what's the pronoun? Let's read the second sentence. We drank coconut water. Right. We drank coconut water. What is the pronoun in that sentence? We. So, we is the pronoun. Now, I ate an ice cream. I ate an ice cream. What is the pronoun in this sentence? I. I is the pronoun. So, the pronouns I, we, I are called subject pronouns. They are called subject pronouns. Yes. Here, these are called subject pronouns. Means, subject pronouns tells us who and what the sentence is about. Okay. Who is doing the action here? Doer of the action. Subject is nothing but doer of the action. Who is doing the action here? I. What is this sentence about? I like swimming. I like swimming. What? What is this sentence? It is telling something about me. So, I like swimming. Who drank? In this sentence, we is telling about some people. We drank some coconut water. Yes. Here I ate an ice cream. So, this sentence is telling about me. So, I, we, I are subject pronouns. They are called subject pronouns. They, see, they are, this is the verb. Is it after the verb or before the verb? After the verb or before the verb? Yes, before. Here this is the action word. We verb. Here I is before the verb. Subject pronouns appear in the beginning. Beginning means what? Starting. See, these are starting. Subject pronouns appear in the starting or in the beginning. Beginning of the sentence. Okay. Now, what are they telling about? They always come before the verb. Subject pronouns come up before the verb. They come before the verb. Or they appear, they come before the verb. In the sentence. Before the verb. Means before the action verb. Fine. They answer. Now what are they answering for us? Which questions are they answering? They answer the questions whom and what. Whom or what. Now they answer the questions. They answer whom or what. Fine. Now listen here. Yes, this is all about subject pronouns. Here subject pronouns appear in the beginning of the sentence. You can identify very easily how, when after the verb you will find the subject pronoun before the verb. Before the verb the pronoun is there. That pronoun is called subject pronoun. That pronoun is called subject pronoun. See, this is the subject, this is the subject, this is a why, because it's coming before the verb. It's coming before the verb and it's coming before the verb. And they are answering the question whom and what. So these are called subject pronouns. For example, here I, you, he, she, it, we, they are subject pronouns. What are they? Subject pronouns. Okay, children. What are subject pronouns? I, you, he, she, it, we, they are subject pronouns. Right. Now, let's go to the object pronouns. You know, object is nothing but receiving the action. Receiver. Here subject is doer. Subject is nothing but doing. Who is doing the action? Doer of the action. Here, receiving the action. Now, Ramu helped me. Ramu helped me. Raju gave a pencil to her. Nita pushed him. Okay, children. Let's look at this sentences. In the first sentence, you may find this is a noun. Already we learned that nouns are nothing but naming words. Fine. This is a noun. And this help is what? Action word. It's a verb. And me is a pronoun. Right. Me is a pronoun. Okay. Now here in this sentence, Raju is a noun. Gave is an action word. And her is a pronoun. Third sentence, Nita pushed him. Right. Now here in the first sentence, me. Me is a object pronoun. Okay. Who is doing the action here in this sentence? Ram. Who is receiving the action there? Me. So, receiver. Here, you can easily identify an object pronoun. Really, see how the object pronouns comes after the verb or at the end of the sentence, or sometimes they will come in the middle of the sentence also. But subject pronouns come always in the beginning of the sentence. And object pronoun it may come in the middle or in the at the end of the sentence. Right. They also answer who. Who is receiving the action? Here who is receiving the action? Me. Me is receiving the action. So object pronouns may come or may appear at the end or in the beginning also. Sometimes in the beginning, but mostly at the end. At the end of the sentence. Okay, children. They also answer the question. Even they also answer the question. Answer the question. Who? They also answer the question. Who? Question. Who? Okay. Receiver of the action. So, what are object pronouns now? Children, you have this in your class portion. See, you, me, him, his, her, us, them, or nothing but object pronouns. You can find these words in the middle of a sentence or at the end of a sentence, right? It's very easy to identify subject pronouns and object pronouns. See, listen. Subject pronouns are very easy. They'll be coming in the beginning of the sentence and they'll be answering the questions whom or what. And object pronouns, they appear mostly at the end of a sentence, sometimes in the beginning. They also answer the question who. Okay, now these are object pronouns. Children, listen here. So when are these all pronouns used? Say when you are talking about yourself, you are going to use I. When you are talking about one person or many persons, also you can use you, one person, he, about a girl, she, about animals or things, right? And if you are present in that sentence, you have to use we, and here they we use for many numbers, plural form. And here also you can use for singular or plural. Me when you talk about yourself, him when you talking about others, for his and her, us. Us, when do you use us? When you are present in that. So you are going to use the pronoun us, them when you are talking about others. This is a plural form. Okay, now I hope you all understood the topic subject pronoun and object pronoun. So in your worksheet I have given the matter. Please read that carefully, learn it, then do the worksheet, complete the task. Very easy. You can, if you keep on practicing in a notebook, you will definitely get through this. Okay. Thank you, children.